How to make high impact research posters. Now, before I show you how to make high impact research posters, I want to share with you a brief story of a student who got a chance to work in one of the prestigious IT firms in the United States. Now, this guy was still a student and was pursuing computer science. So he got information about a conference that was in Finland in 2019. So this guy made a presentation. We worked with him and he was able to come up with a poster about an application. And he was able to make his presentation at the Finland conference. And from that presentation, he was able to connect with one of the CEOs of a big company. And you can imagine that that opportunity made him land a very good job and is now working in one of the IT firms in the United States. So if this is your first time, I want you to pay attention. I want you to stick around till the end of this video because I'm going to show you the important things that you need to know when making a good research poster. I will first define what is a research poster. I will then look at the characteristics of a research poster. I will also go into the qualities of a good research poster. So if this is your first time and if this information makes sense to you, then kindly consider subscribing to my channel. And at the end of this video, I will also give you my template. I will provide a template in the description of this video that you can use to design a simple research poster using Excel. So without wasting too much time, let's dive into the definition of a research poster. Now, a research poster is an illustrated summary of research that scientists, scholars, and students use to present their scientific discoveries to larger audiences. Posters are displayed at events. This can be symposiums. For example, you have universities that hold symposiums where students are able to display their results when they have conducted various experiments or conducted research on different topics. Conferences are happening everywhere in the world and people are meeting to discuss findings. We have government conferences and so on. So people are able to share new results and new information through presentations. So that is in brief what I mean by a research poster. So I'm illustrating what is a conference. A conference is a forum where people converge and they are able to share information. They are able to learn new things. So in a conference, you get an opportunity to present your ideas. You can present your research findings. And through such opportunities, people can find about what you have been doing. And you can network and find new contacts, find jobs, find scholarships, and many other opportunities. So characteristics of a research poster. So the first thing you need to know is that a research poster should be well organized. It should also be clean and it should have a simple design. Now the focus of your poster should be one specific research topic, and this should be something that can be explained in 5 to 15 minutes. So the contents that are important include the title, authors, abstract, introduction, materials and methods, results, discussion, references, and acknowledgements. Then another characteristic is that a research poster will have 4 to 10 high resolution figures. This could be in form of graphs and so on. They help to describe what the research was all about and what were the findings. And another characteristic is that research poster contains minimal text with figures and tables, which are the main focus. So you can have a look at this illustration of how a research poster should be organized. Then lastly, what are the qualities of a good research poster? Now, a good research poster should have important information that should be readable within 10 feet. So somebody standing 10 feet from your poster should be able to see the introduction. You should be able to see the abstract. You should be able to see the word conclusion or findings. Then the title should be short and it should draw or grab the attention of the viewers. Now the word count should be about 300 to 800 words. Now text should be clear to the point. Use of bullets is encouraged, and numbering and headlines are also used to make it easy to read. Then you should also make use of graphics, color, and fonts. You should also be consistent and clean in your layout. Then it's also important to acknowledge institutions or people who have also contributed towards your research, for example, other authors and the institution that you are affiliated. So in brief, those are the qualities of a good research poster. In our next video, we'll be going deeper into aspects of layout, how to structure your content, and this will be more exciting because you've now learned what a research poster is, what are the qualities of a good research poster. Now you are more prepared to start designing a good research poster for your research. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.